Welcome back to this exciting action-packed episode of Shooting Food. Today we're going to be shooting bananas. I'm Random Camera Guy. This is Mandalore, and this is Mick. Alright, as you already know if you watch our other videos, these people are ready to shoot some food. As you should already know if you're listening, we're going to shoot a banana today. Here's the banana. Alright, you ready guys?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, shoot some food! Alright, let's see what they've done so far. Alright, couple of holes here and there. Alright, here guys, get in a little closer and blast it. Alright, shoot it! Yeah, we cut it in half. Better pick this up so no one slips on it.